Kentrell Deshawn Galden, better known as YoungBoy Never Broke Again, is one of the most streamed hip-hop artists in the United States. He recently released a new music video, Where I Been Shot Callin'. This track is part of his first full-length album of 2024, I Just Got a Lot on My Shoulders. The album, released through Never Broke Again Motown Records, is a reflection on the pressures of fame and the weight of responsibility. Despite his musical success, YoungBoy has been entangled in legal troubles for years. These issues have significantly impacted his career, often overshadowing his musical output. His legal battles reached a climax in December 2024, when he was sentenced to 23 months in federal prison. This sentence stems from a 2020 arrest for possessing firearms as a felon. YoungBoy's legal team accepted a plea deal, bringing an end to a lengthy legal saga. While this verdict marks a turning point, it also creates uncertainty about the future of his career. Fans and critics alike are left wondering how this sentence will shape his music and his legacy in the years to come. The question remains, will YoungBoy be able to overcome these challenges and continue his musical dominance? YoungBoy's legal troubles began in 2017 with a conviction for aggravated assault with a firearm in his home state of Louisiana. This conviction branded him as a felon, prohibiting him from owning firearms under federal law. His legal situation escalated in 2020 when he was arrested during a music video shoot in Baton Rouge. Authorities discovered a pistol in his possession, a direct violation of his felon status. Subsequent investigations uncovered evidence of a prescription drug ring and additional firearms in Utah, further complicating his legal standing. These charges resulted in house arrest in Utah, a measure imposed in 2021 that drastically limited his movements and activities. Despite these restrictions, YoungBoy remained musically prolific, releasing a steady stream of music throughout his confinement. The plea deal he accepted in 2024 addressed gun and drug charges in both Utah and Louisiana. As part of the agreement, 4 of the Utah charges were reduced to misdemeanors, potentially mitigating his sentence. While his legal team expressed satisfaction with the outcome, the impact on YoungBoy's life and career is undeniable. The 25-year-old artist now faces a future shaped by both his musical aspirations and the consequences of his past actions. Throughout his legal turmoil, YoungBoy's music has served as a canvas for his personal struggles and reflections. His lyrics often delve into the realities of street life, the allure of wealth, and the consequences of his choices. His music resonates with a large audience, particularly those who identify with the challenges and complexities of his experiences. His latest album, I Just Got a Lot on My Shoulders, is no exception. The album's title itself hints at the burdens he carries, both from his legal situation and the pressures of fame. Tracks like Where I Been Shot Callin' offer glimpses into his mindset, showcasing a mix of bravado and introspection. The album's themes of fame and responsibility are particularly poignant considering his circumstances. YoungBoy's music reflects the duality of his life, the highs of chart-topping success, and the lows of legal battles and personal turmoil. His ability to channel these experiences into his music has solidified his connection with fans who see him as both a talented artist and a flawed individual. This authenticity is arguably a key factor in his enduring popularity, despite the controversies that surround him. YoungBoy's 23-month prison sentence represents a significant interruption to his career, but it doesn't necessarily spell the end. He is projected to be released in early 2025 due to time already served, and he will then begin a 60-month probation period. Whether this time away from the music industry will hinder or fuel his creativity remains to be seen. Some artists emerge from incarceration with a renewed sense of purpose and a wealth of material to draw from. Others struggle to regain their footing and reconnect with an audience that has moved on. YoungBoy's future will likely depend on his ability to navigate the challenges of reintegration, both personally and professionally. He will need to contend with the stigma of his conviction, the restrictions of probation, and the ever-evolving landscape of the music industry. However, YoungBoy's consistent popularity and dedicated fan base suggests that a path to redemption and continued success is within reach. Only time will tell how this chapter of his life will shape his music and his legacy.